So today's topic is why can't you perform method overloading in Python? So for in Java, there is a method void add. It is taking two values as parameter, integer a and b, and printing the sum of it. But there is also another method add that is not taking any parameter and printing 10 plus 5. This is basically method overloading. Okay. The method with the same name but different signature. This is possible in Java or C++, but not in Python. Why? Because Python allows us to have default values in the parameter list only. Suppose if we send 10 plus 5 as the parameter, it will add 10 plus 5 and print. But if we don't send anything in the parameter list, it will uh, have none, and when it is none, it prints 10 plus 20. Therefore, we do not have the need to create another function add where parameter list is empty. That is why Python does not uh, uh, allow method overloading.